Hey there. Have you ever wondered what's going to happen with AI in the next year? Well, buckle up, because 2026 is about to be absolutely game-changing. And if you're not paying attention, you might find yourself left behind. By next year, 40% of enterprise applications worldwide will have autonomous AI agents making decisions without you even pressing a button. Imagine that. 40%. These aren't just helpful assistants anymore. These are full-fledged digital workers handling everything from customer support to complex financial decisions. And here's the crazy part. That's just the beginning. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how AI is evolving, how different businesses and departments are going to use it to skyrocket their growth in 2026. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap of what's coming. Gartner has identified something fascinating called compound AI. This is where AI doesn't just use one neural network anymore. It combines reasoning-capable AI with deterministic systems. That means AI that can reason like a human, make independent decisions, and actually explain why it made those decisions. This is huge for businesses because it means they can finally trust AI with mission-critical operations. Another massive shift is multimodal AI becoming the standard. Right now, most AI is really good at either reading text or seeing images or hearing audio. But in 2026, AI will handle all of these at the same time, just like your brain does. Imagine an AI that watches your marketing video, reads the script, hears the tone, and gives you feedback on all three simultaneously. Google's Gemini is already doing this with a million token context window. That's mind-blowing. And here's something that's going to blow your mind. AI will get specialized. Instead of one general AI model doing everything okay, businesses will have models specifically trained on their data, their workflows, their industry. They'll become what experts call mini LLM companies. Your company's AI will basically be custom built for you. Now, let's talk about the real money, how businesses are actually going to use this to grow. Customer service and support. Here's a stat that's going to keep you up at night. By 2027, AI-powered self-service and live chat will surpass phone calls and emails as the main way customers interact with companies. That means customer service teams are transforming completely. But this isn't about replacing your support team. It's about giving them superpowers. AI agents will triage customer tickets, determine urgency, suggest responses in real time, and solve 70% of issues without human intervention. For complex issues, humans jump in. The result? Your customers are happier, response times drop by 80%, and your team is less burned out. Sales and marketing. Sales teams will have AI agents that work 24/7, qualifying leads before your sales reps even see them. Marketing teams will use AI to predict which campaigns will resonate, personalize content for individual customers, and optimize ad spend in real time. Imagine a sales rep who logs in and has a prioritized list of hot leads with recommended pitch strategies. That's AI-driven sales in 2026. Finance and accounting. Finance departments are already warming up to AI. Right now, 86% of finance teams are planning to use AI more extensively by 2026. And get this, 50% are already testing AI solutions. Why? Because CFOs have realized that AI can cut costs, improve accuracy, and speed up decision-making by months. What will AI actually do? It'll handle compliance checks automatically. It'll flag fraud in real time. It'll do forecasting with up to 7 percentage points better accuracy than traditional methods. Imagine your finance team spending zero time on data entry and 100% of their time on strategy. That's the power we're talking about. Human resources. HR is becoming AI-powered. companies are using AI to write job descriptions, schedule interviews automatically, conduct first-level video interviews with candidates, and even assess cultural fit. But the bigger play? Reskilling and upskilling employees to work with AI every day. In 2026, companies that don't train their employees on AI will lose their competitive edge. We're talking about making AI as foundational as Excel or email. HR is now also creating AI governance policies and ensuring ethical use across the organization. Healthcare. AI is detecting cancers earlier than humans can, predicting patient admissions so hospitals can staff accordingly, and accelerating drug discovery. By 2026, AI assisted diagnosis will be standard in most developed healthcare systems. It's not replacing doctors, it's making doctors infinitely more effective. Here's the inside scoop. In 2026, the real winners won't be platforms that do everything. They'll be platforms that do one thing exceptionally well and integrate seamlessly with everything else. The global AI market is projected to hit $228 billion by the end of 2026, with a growth rate of 32.7% annually. China is growing its AI market at 39%. This is the decade of AI specialization and integration. So here's what you need to do starting right now. First, stop thinking about AI as this mysterious black box. Start experimenting with these tools today. Pick one, whether it's N8N, Zapier, or Claude, and build something. The executives who don't start playing with AI now will be playing catch up in 2026. Second, think about your specific role or business. Where is AI going to hit you the hardest? Is it in customer service, finance, sales? Once you identify that, you can get ahead of it. Third, start learning. Make AI literacy as fundamental as being good at email. The companies and individuals who do this will absolutely dominate 2026 and beyond. The bottom line? AI in 2026 isn't about science fiction anymore. It's about competitive advantage. And that advantage goes to whoever moves first. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more deep dives into AI and automation, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited about. I'm reading every comment, and I'd love to hear what you're planning to build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.